Philip Seymour Hoffman's family released a statement saying, of course, they were devastated by what they called a very tragic and sad loss. They also asked for time to grieve. They asked for people to respect their privacy. They also said they would not be making any further statements at this time. There's a lot still going on in this investigation into what happened, how in fact he died. But what we do know is that Hollywood is also reacting to this now. Many celebrities tweeting out condolences to his family and their thoughts on Philip Seymour Hoffman's passing. We also know that he had a lot of projects in the works. He had joined the Hunger Games franchise. We just saw him in Hunger Games Catching Fire. He had finished filming Hunger Games Mockingjay Part 1 that will be released on November 10th of this year. They were in the middle of filming Hunger Games Part 2, Mockingjay Part 2. We are told that Philip Seymour Hoffman did have some time filming left. They're not sure how it will affect the movie. He was also getting ready to direct his next movie, his second directorial feature, and that movie was called Ezekiel Moss. Amy Adams and Jake Gyllenhaal were to star in that movie. You know, the last time Philip Seymour Hoffman was believed to have been seen publicly was at the Sundance Film Festival about 10 days ago, publicly meaning out on a red carpet and out doing industry work. He had two movies that debuted there, one called A Most Wanted Man, the other one called God's Pocket. He did speak and promote both of those films. At the time, people said he seemed to be fine, but as our Dr. Drew Pinsky has said repeatedly, you never really know what someone is going through when they're suffering the battles of addiction. Back to you.